Warm greetings, respected judges. Today we are here to present our solution, AEGIS. Before I get into the solution, I would like to talk a bit about a problem statement. Every day, police officers and investigation officers across the world struggle with scattered sources of evidences. Hence, there is no centralized portal which combines all of them. Hence, we wanted to create that centralized portal so that there would be less contradictions and the different links between the evidences can be identified more easier. So here is our solution. As you can see, there is a command dashboard initially. Here you could see the active cases, which area has more number of cases, which area has less number of cases, and so on. Next we move on to the cases dashboard, where you could see the different cases that are being going on right now, what type of case it is and which district it is there and who is handling it. So let's say I want to create a new case. I would go to the investigation graph. Here I'll have to first upload the autopsy report. The autopsy report uses NLP to identify each entity which is mentioned in the document and map it to a corresponding human figure. We could also see which in each portion how much damage has actually occurred and the estimated time before which he had actually died. Next we have the timeline replay. By the timeline replay, we upload the CCTV and the log data, and through this it will show a timeline of what actually occurred. So which instance occurred first, which instance occurs second, and so on. Next we have the movement map. Here we can import the GPS and log data, and we will get the path taken by the suspect as well as the victim, and we could see from where to where they had traveled and what is the relationship between their boat travels and so on. Next we have a living evidence canvas. So we take the value from the three other sources, we put it into a RAG model, and we store it in the form of vector embeddings. Hence, as a result, since we store it in the form of context and not characters, we are able to find relation and map the different values amongst them. Here, red represents the suspect, green represents the evidence, blue represents the witness, and the purple represents the CCTV footage. And here you could also get an AI hypothesis engine which shows what could have occurred and with what confidence it says it, and for each one it says why it supports it and why it could also be against it. Next we also have a contradiction detector. So it will show the different contradiction among the different sources and the different evidences. Hence it will be easier to solve the case and reduce the chance of possible confusion. Next we also have an AI co-pilot. Here you could ask anything about the case to it and it would give you its response based on the given evidence. And the reason why we wanted to keep it is we felt that in an investigation asking questions is really important, and hence using this co-pilot the investigator could ask his questions and could get more clarity on the case. So that's about our project. We hope you liked it. Thank you.